Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Jennifer Marie, where I teach you different ways that you can make money online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to start your own YouTube channel 100% for free. Most of my subscribers know that I have 2 completely monetized YouTube channels, and right now they are making me a full-time income, something I never thought was possible 5 years ago. So I'm going to show you how we can use ChatGPT to start a YouTube channel. And I'm going to show you the right prompts you can use with ChatGPT so it works as your personal assistant and helping you craft the perfect YouTube channel for you. We can use ChatGPT to help us brainstorm channel ideas, identify our niche, audience research, video ideas, channel name ideas, and so much more. If you have no idea how to use ChatGPT, I've linked you in the description below to my full tutorial for beginners on that. But let's get started. So we're going to go to chat.openai.com/chat. Make sure to select new chat. And let's start with a general question. What are the 10 most top viewed niches on YouTube? So ChatGPT has given us the 10 most popular niches on YouTube that consistently get a lot of views. Gaming, videos of people playing games, discussing games, music, comedy, beauty and fashion, food and cooking, sports, travel, education, health and wellness, and animals and pets. Okay, I really like number 5. Can you please expand on number 5? So now ChatGPT has given us even more categories within the food and cooking niche: recipe videos, cooking tips and tricks, food challenges, food science and nutrition, and you can even ask it to go into more detail about any of these categories or produce more examples. Now let's ask it, what is a unique channel idea for a food and cooking or baking channel that would generate a lot of views? And let's see what ChatGPT can come up with for us. So ChatGPT has just come up with a bunch of really unique ideas: creative food art, unusual baking ingredients, food documentaries, exploring food culture. I really like this idea, experimenting with unusual or exotic ingredients in your baking recipes. So I just told ChatGPT that I want to create a channel based around cooking and baking with unusual ingredients. Can you help me come up with a clever and creative name? And let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so now ChatGPT has come up with some ideas: exotic eats, flavor adventure, uncommon kitchen, strange and delicious, the spice route, oddities kitchen. Come up with 20 more name ideas and don't give me extra details. Okay, so they've come up with a bunch of really great ideas with all sorts of different adjectives that describe the unusual style of cooking. I really like offbeat cooking. And what you want to do is you want to check on YouTube to make sure that this isn't already taken. So for example, my Sparkle English channel is youtube.com/@Sparkle English, and that will direct you to my channel. So we can use this to see if there's already a channel with one of these names. So let's try @offbeat cooking. It has not been found. So let's try to search here, offbeat cooking, to see if that comes up. No, it does not. There's the offbeat cook, but not offbeat cooking. Okay, now we want a catchy tagline for our channel. Create a catchy new tagline for my channel, which is called Offbeat Cooking. And now they've come up with some awesome taglines for us. Cooking outside the lines. No rules, no boundaries, just delicious food. Breaking the mold, one dish at a time. I love these. I really like embrace the offbeat, embrace the flavor, or cooking outside the lines. And you could use one of these taglines when you're creating your cover art for your channel and have that here. We can even use ChatGPT to come up with video ideas for us. Give me 5 video ideas for my first 5 videos for my offbeat cooking channel. So now they've even given me 5 different ideas using these unusual ingredients, and I can even ask for the recipe. What's the recipe for number 5? So now let's also use ChatGPT for some keyword ideas. What are some low competition keywords that I can target So they've even given me some low competition keywords that we can target: healthy carrot soup recipe, vegetarian cumin soup, quick and easy carrot soup. And it says that these keywords have relatively low search competition, meaning it may be easier for your video to rank higher in search results for these terms. Remember to include these keywords in your video title, description, and tags to increase your chances of being discovered by viewers who are interested in these types of recipes. Another thing you can do is you can sign up to TubeBuddy, and you do not have to pay for it. TubeBuddy is also a free extension that you can use. This is my referral link here that you can use to sign up. But let me show you what the free version gets you. So click on this link, install the TubeBuddy extension, and then once you're in your dashboard for your channel, you click here on the TubeBuddy. I can click on Launch Keyword Explorer, and I can type in spicy carrot soup recipe, for example. Click Explore, and here you can see the overall score is excellent, meaning that there's a pretty good search volume. Competition's not bad. And you can go ahead and type in any sort of keyword and click Explore. So you can see here scone recipe, and then they give you some other examples here as well. You can see here only 3 of 13 total results are shown because this is the free version, but you can click on those and get some more ideas as well. And the higher the score, the better chance you have of ranking for this keyword. And another thing you can do is when you're on studio.youtube.com, you can click on Analytics and then Research, and then type in something like carrot soup. And you're going to see the search volume on YouTube is high, medium of keywords that you would like to target as well. You can even go here and click on Content Gaps Only and click Apply. Let's type in soup. And what that means is that a content gap is a way of measuring what viewers are searching for and the results they find. So this means that either viewers can't find any results for their searches, or they can't find an exact match for their searches, which mean that this could be a good starting point for you to create videos targeting these keywords that people are looking for. We can also ask ChatGPT to be our personal assistant and walk us step by step through the entire process of creating a YouTube channel. And how you would do that is, first, let's ask ChatGPT, I want you to act as a YouTube SEO professional and guide me through each step in creating my own YouTube channel, starting with the best niche idea to gain quick viewership. YouTube has given us all the steps that we need to create our own YouTube channel, but I want them to walk me through every single step. Step 1 is identify your niche. Walk me through step 1 and ask me all the questions you need to know for me to pick the perfect niche that interests me. And now ChatGPT is asking us all sorts of important questions. What are our interests and passions, our expertise, our experience, the type of content we enjoy consuming? So I'm just going to answer 1. I like gaming, acting, technology, writing, reading, board games. So I filled out a little bit of information, and based on the information I gave ChatGPT, they're even coming up with more ideas for us. And you can just keep going through this and say, okay, I like gaming. Ask me more questions to narrow down the exact niche I should get into. And ChatGPT is intelligent and remembers things that you previously said within the same chats. So you can literally go back up and say, okay, I've identified my niche. Now I want you to walk me through step 2 and research keywords for my niche. Okay, now walk me through step 3. And just use ChatGPT as your personal assistant to walk you through all the steps that you need to create your own YouTube channel. I will be creating a video shortly on how to create a YouTube channel from scratch in 2023, so make sure to stay tuned for that. So let me know in the comment section what kind of ideas you're thinking about for starting your own YouTube channel, or if you already have a YouTube channel, what is your niche and what kinds of videos are you excited about creating? Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one, and I will see you in my next tutorial.